Hello guys, my name is Mwambire Zawadi John. I'm a national trainer Bajaj Auto Industries Limited Kenya, and I'm going to do a simple test on how to check whether your ignition switch is functioning well. This video comes direct to you courtesy of Bajaj BOXER bike. Bajaj BOXER bike made stronger to last long. So basically what you need is the ignition switch itself after you've dismantled it from your bike, and then a good multimeter. So whatever I'm going to check here is starting by checking the steering lock mechanism, if it is functioning well. As you can see, it is functioning well. Now the second part, I'm going to check on the electrical part. Now on the electrical part, I'm going to check continuity between the white coded wire and brown coded wire. Now continuity has to be shown while my ignition key is on position. Now whatever I'm going to do here is switching on my multimeter and setting it on continuity mode. I'll start by checking it if it is functioning well. Now I'll take my positive lead to white coded wire and then my negative lead to brown coded wire. Now continuity is shown while my key is in on condition. Now the second situation is checking my ignition switch continuity by taking my positive lead to this black white coded wire and then my negative lead to this black yellow coded wire. Now continuity has to be shown while my ignition switch key is in off position. Now that is how simple you can check your ignition switch.